Hello, I'm the Budget Modeler, and this is a bit of a different video. It's of me receiving the High Sheriff's Award from Jeremy Sharman, the High Sheriff of Northamptonshire, on Sunday the 16th of November 2025. But before we get into the details, if you're watching this, then please subscribe to my channel, give the video a like and ring my bell. That'd be brilliant. Thank you. As a quick aside, I do have to thank not only Models for Heroes, but also Malcolm Childs, the founder and chairperson of Models for Heroes, for putting me forward for this award, but also my amazing wife Lisa for their amazing support. If it wasn't for these two people, I would not be here doing what I do. So thank you, you two. The first picture is the front of the Order of Service for the Justice Service for the County of Northamptonshire, which my wife and I, seen here, were invited to. It was held at the Church of the Holy Trinity in Rothwell, Northamptonshire. Once the service had finished, we adjourned to Tresham Hall for high tea. There, the High Sheriff asked me to say a few words, so I did. And here's what I said.
For a company called Models for Heroes. We're all familiar with a number of charities, but I thought this is a really special one. So, Steph, do you want to tell us a little bit about Models for Heroes and your story as well?
Good afternoon, everybody. It's a real privilege to be here. My story is I was injured when I was in the Air Force. I've had 15 operations on my left leg. I've had my knee replaced and my body went not anymore. I suffer from CRPS, so I'm in pain 24/7. About 7 years ago, a friend of mine tapped me up and went, "Yeah, have you heard of this charity, Models for Heroes?" And I said, "No, not a clue." So I said, "Look them up." So looked them up and became a beneficiary, and they send you all the kit you need to start model making, which is about 20 kits, all the tools, everything you could think of free of charge. And I did this, and it was one of those light bulb moments. So within about 6 weeks, I applied to be a volunteer, started up several face-to-face sessions around the area, one of which is still running. It's been running for 6 years now. 6 years, which is where we have not just service personnel, veterans, but also it's open to the Blue Light Brigade, so police, fire, paramedics, people involved with that, who work for that, and also who have retired from those. And we go to lots of model shows, we do auctions, I think...
Just spread the word.
I do a online auction with 3 friends of mine. We're all YouTubers, we all have a YouTube channel which involves model making. This year in March we raised £16,000. Over the past 5 years we've raised in excess of £40,000 for Models for Heroes. So it's just something I'm really proud of.
And I think that the reason that you've explained to me is a lot of heroes have PTSD, and this really, I think, takes you out. Do you just want to say a little bit about that?
Yeah. I'd also like to thank Malcolm, who's the founder and chairperson of Models for Heroes, for putting me forward for this. What it does is, in the words of psychology, it's called attention. Whereas the issues you have are still there. They don't go away ever. But sitting there, making a model, this little bit of plastic, a file and a bit of glue can give you so much respite from your PTSD, from your CPTSD, from your mental issues, from your physical issues. They are still there, but you don't notice them. And the amount of good it's done If it wasn't for my wife and Malcolm at Models for Heroes, I wouldn't be here. And there are many hundreds of veterans of the military, police, fire, paramedics who can say the same. He has saved hundreds of lives.
So it gives me great pleasure to give you, Steph, this High Sheriff's Award, which recognises it's a total recognition for all you've done for your local community and the hundreds of people you've helped. So well done.
So, there we go. That was me telling the crowd of dignitaries, other High Sheriffs, the Law Lieutenant of Northamptonshire, bishops, police chiefs, High Court judges about Models for Heroes, what we do and who we help. So, there was no pressure there then. Anywho, thank you to you for watching me blow the trumpet of Models for Heroes, as well as myself. I'm extremely proud of this, and I also feel very, very humble about it. Once again, thank you, Malcolm, for putting me up for this, and also thank you, Lisa, for supporting me. Also, episode 29 of the U-boat build will be out on Friday evening, so if you want to see that, then please subscribe to my channel, help it grow, like the video, leave a comment and ring my bell. Remember folks, stay safe, keep on modelling.